Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail. I'm going to give you the complete breakdown, a step-by-step methodology of how to start dropshipping. We get a lot of inquiries and questions from a lot of people asking us, how do we actually start dropshipping and where do we start this dropshipping work from? And that is the reason why we're making this absolutely brilliant video for you guys, to give you the complete strategy and what you need to do and how you need to do it. Where do you find the products and how do you get those products to yourself in order to sell it on your stores? But the first thing that you need to understand is that where do you start selling it from? The two best places I believe that anyone should actually go for before they get into and expand their business is Shopify, and then they need to go and head over to ebay.com. These are the two places that give you the proper skill set, the proper tools, the proper support for you to start your dropshipping business. Now, one of the things which is very important for anyone to understand before they get into this actual industry is how does this industry actually work? Now, there are millions of entrepreneurs right now that are moving towards the financial freedom model of dropshipping, because you take control of matters into your own hand. You can work whenever you want to, and you can do all of that from the comfort of your homes. And obviously, we're going to look at exactly what you need to do with Shopify. If you can dream it, you can sell it with Shopify. And the reason why millions of entrepreneurs right now are moving to Shopify is because you can bring your vision to life with their easy to store creator, and there's no coding expertise required. A lot of people think that if you want to get into dropshipping, you need to hire a front-end developer, you need to get a back-end developer, you need someone who understands UI and UX. But with Shopify, you don't need any of that, because they already have a selection of themes that you can customize and personalize for yourself. They even have an app store, and you can add different features and functionalities to your store by going over there, downloading those apps, and you can focus on building your business. You can connect with customers everywhere. At the end of the day, guys, we live in a global village right now. We have accessibilities across the globe. We can find out what is happening in the US, we can find out what is happening in Australia, we can find out what is happening in China, in Russia, in South Africa, in Argentina, in the UK. We live in a global age right now. What we need to do right now is think globally but act locally, because you're doing everything from the comfort of your home, but you need to understand the different cultures, the different perspectives, the different strategies, how you need to approach certain matters. For example, I had a couple of individuals asking me this question, that we want to sell winter apparels in Australia. I was like, are you guys crazy? You can't do that. It's summer over there right now. It might be winter where you are, but you got to understand what the market is. What is the people that living there are going through? If you're selling beachwear, you can sell that in Australia at this moment in time because it's summer. But if you want to sell beachwear in the US or Canada, that is absolutely ridiculous. No one's gonna buy beachwear right now because no one's gonna go to the beach. It's frozen. It is cold. They want to get a sweater or something. That is what you gotta sell. You can't sell summer wear in the US. That's what for the Australians to get. So if you're focusing on the Australian market, that is the apparels that you're gonna go for. And obviously, guys, everything that you need to succeed is available. You can manage your inventories, you can manage your time, you can manage every single payment that you make, and you can focus on building your business. And obviously, eBay is also a platform that gives you a chance to interact, to sell, to trade, to buy, to auction. You can do so many things right now, and there's a massive market already available on eBay. If you want to find anything, if you want to sell anything, you can. For example, one of the major things which I recommend individuals is do not go in all these categories such as electronics and motors and fashions and sports and health and beauty. Focus on one thing. Select one thing, look at one thing, and then gradually build your business step by step. You don't need to do everything. You need to do something, but do it right. And I recommend always focus on a particular product that breaks the limitations. For example, if you're selling sports bras, that's not going to work. If you're selling, for example, men's underwear, that is going to be only for the males. It's not going to be for the females. You got to select an item that is going to be for everyone, no matter what the age, no matter what the gender. And electronics is that category. And I love electronics because you can get something dead cheap and sell it at a much higher price, increasing your profit margin. Because at the end of the day, that is what the business is about. It's about making money. And if you understand how to make money and where the money is coming from, that is where the profit is going to be, and that is where the success is going to be. Now, the problem a lot of people tend to think is that, listen, if you go into electronics, we got to invest so much money into it. You don't, guys. That's the beauty of it. Don't buy a television, don't buy an Apple iPhone. Focus on the small things and focus on the quantity. Increase the quantity for the small things. Invest with $100, $20, $30, $50, $1,000 and get small quantities of different items and start selling those that are in the electronic categories. For example, if you look at the portable headsets, if you look at cell phones, smartwatches and accessories, that is what you got to focus on. If you just look at the headsets right now, you can see that these are interesting items that people are selling. If you look at the price over $16.83, $11.99, $17.99, $48.95, these are things that people are buying. They might get this product dead cheap and sell it at a much higher price. And if you want to find out if the product is profitable or not, head over to the Sellers Hub over here and hit research. Now what this does is it gives you a complete breakdown of what is happening on eBay. It gives you a perspective, an eagle view of exactly if this niche is good or not. So let's search for headphones, for example, and see exactly what the niche is doing and how it worked in the last year. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see in 1 year the average price was $73.67 with a free shipping for 76%. They sold 2.9 million. There's 294 sellers, and they made a total sale in 1 year combined of $217 million, guys. That is the total market sale. If you look at the graph, you can clearly see that this is a product that was sold throughout the year. So this is a product you should definitely have on your account. This is something that you want to sell in your shops. And if you look at the people that are selling it, for example, this individual has made at least $939,000. They made $1 million at selling a product for $19.97. For $20 per pop of this product, they sold 47,000 and made $1 million bucks. It is as simple as that. If you look at this fact that for $20 they got a product that sold it 47,000 times and made $1 million. Of this individual, they already might have 100 different products that they're benefiting from. Just look at the total sales of all these individuals: 880, 1.7 million, 16,000, 552,000. This individual made a 1.2 million. This is absolutely massive, guys, and this is what I'm talking about. This is the potential that this market tends to have, that you can actually grab. For $15 for the Apple Lightning EarPod, they sold 4,489 and made $76,000, and so could you guys. So the questions a lot of people tend to ask is, where do we get these products from? Just head over to aliexpress.com, guys, and search, for example, headphones. Now, if we search for headphones, what do you think we're gonna find? We already know the price is around $70. Look at that, $10.72. This individuals that we were looking at earlier was selling a product for $19.99 and they made $1 million off it. If we're selling this for $10.72, getting it and selling it, we can make a massive profit on it. Just look at the amount that have been sold. 319 have been sold. Of this product, 41,000 have been sold for $12.55. $14.79, 40,000 have been sold. We can easily sell this for $20, $24.99 and make a massive profit off it, guys. That is how the business works. That is the strategy. That is understanding the perspective of the buyer and combining those elements. 32 cents for this, and they've sold 1,599 of it, guys. You gotta understand the perspective. And once you understand the perspective, you're able to make money off it. Now, if you got any questions or need any clarifications, you can always drop me a message in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.